will continue. Now we have seen how to create a simple form by making a form for accepting assignments from the students, and how to share this with the students. Now we have created the form. We need to make our students know about it, isn't it? So you please go to send, and either you can invite them by their email IDs, or you can go to settings, link option, the second one, and copy this link and paste in WhatsApp, email, etc. Or otherwise I can go to the third option, where I'll get a code, and that code can be that is embedding code. Embed code can be copied from here and pasted on my web page, okay, or your institution web page or your blog, etc. But remember, the code is not visible here. Why? Because you are using the file upload options. If you are using file upload items, this embedding cannot be done. If you remove it, now I'll just remove the file uploading. Okay, then you can see now if I'm going to send, you can see the option here. Hope you saw that. So this you can copy and paste on your web page. So from your web page itself, your students will be able to make submissions. Okay, no need to open any link or something like that. Now, as madam was telling, we are going to make a survey form. Now we are going to create a survey form. You are going to create a survey form here. Difference between embed and link. Link will be just a link will be shown. When your students click on that from your web page, this form would be opened somewhere on another tab or the same tab. But embedding means on your page itself, this will be shown. Form will be displayed. Now, this is a school uniform survey. Okay. Now, you are asking for name of the parents. Okay. For name of the student, you can ask. And like all the items we added earlier, program we added. So where we will have options. Okay, B.Ed, M.Ed. So I'm giving two options. Okay, to which program they belong to. Then I'm coming to, I'll make a session like choice for the uniform. Okay, I'll click here, which address you prefer to. Okay, ask your uniform. My English is not good, so please pardon me. I'm asking a question. Then here I'll give some options. Let me take sari. Okay, I'll copy the image address. I'll come here. I'll go by URL. I'll click. The URL is invalid. Copy image address. Please wait some delay is there. I don't know. Okay, I'll do. System got some problems. Now I'll paste it here. Okay. See, insert image I'll do. That is sari. I can, I don't want to, means I'm not displaying sari. Okay. Instead, I'm not displaying the option that not writing sari here. Now I'll do churidar. Okay. I'll choose copy image address. I'll do paste the, sorry, again I did mistake. I have to click here on the image. Then by URL I'm adding. Okay, that is not a valid URL. I'll find some other image. Copy image. I'll paste. So where I'm getting this response, sometimes you may not be seeing that. Okay, here when you click on something, here when you move your mouse only, this option would be seen. Okay, if you take your mouse from here, you cannot see this image option. When you bring your cursor over here, that time it will be displayed. Okay. Now, like same, this way you can add mathematical equations and all. If you are unable to type your mathematical equations, you bring it as images. Okay. Now I'll go to another one. So here, better you always give something like sari, churidar. Why? Because when you export into Excel, this image will not be seen there. Only the option 1 and option 2 will be shown. Okay. Now this is done. Now the color. You are make so here you will make one more section. You are making section. Okay. Now here you will make this will be displayed in another page. So here you are making the color combinations. Okay, or color. Now I'll search uniform color. Uniform sari color. Okay, like this you will choose different. What I'm doing is I'm copying the image address. Okay, then coming here by URL I'm doing. I'm not downloading the images, and this is choice 1. I'll make choice 1. I do not know about all these things, that's why. Then I'll make another choice, copy image. Oh, sorry. I'll add image, I'll click. Okay. So I'm giving 2 choices only, choice 1 and choice 2 to our students, not more than that, because it is understood, right? Now this is about sari. Now I have to give, so question I have to add. If sari is If sari is decided as your uniform, which among the following will be your choice? Okay. Sari spelling. What is the spelling of sari? Right? Sari. Okay. Now I'll add one more question. Okay. That is if churidar, then I'll change these images. Okay. I'll come with some churidar image. See, I haven't mentioned anything about men. Okay. Please accept this survey. This college is women's college. So like this, I'll choose copy image address. Come here, paste by URL. Okay, what happened? Okay, this can be there. Now our survey is having lots of images only. I'll choose this one. Copy image. Sorry, copy image address. Now you somebody tell me about some more question, not of images. Related to this topic, you can tell me some images. Sorry, some other things. So anyhow, color combination is done. Now after this, what I'll do, I'll add cloth selection. Okay, cloth selection. I'll add. So here I can add one item. I'll add which type of cloth you wish to have. Okay. Now here I can add, yeah, cotton, linen. Yeah, you see, we are making really a survey form, right? In a collaborative way. Silk. So this is the greatness if we are collaborating. So cloth selection is done. Cotton, linen, silk, etc. Now I'll just add one more selection, that is price, budget, or estimate. Okay, price. I'll add one thing. So here, can I choose some other item here? No, linen. Oh, sorry, this is price estimate below 1000. Sorry, below 1000, 1000 to 2000, then 2000 to 2500 and 2500 above per set. Okay, one set, not per 4. One set. of one pair or something like that. Then I'll add one more thing. No of seats. Okay, you then okay, I don't know what to add here. Pardon me. Anyhow, I'll add, choose the mode like personal stitching, individual, stitching, common stitching, and ready-made. Okay, now finally I'll add one more question. Feedback. Okay, could this survey help you? Then I'll make here like linear scale. How do you write this survey? Okay, I can add not good. I'll 3-point scale I'll add. Not good, good, very good. Okay. Okay, now we'll see how it works. Okay, payment method, etc. You see, very, I liked this session, in fact. You see, many contributions are there. So while creating our research tool and all, if we are together now, we can make wonder. Now school uniform survey, I'll add, okay, some other name, I'll add Aishwarya. Okay, program B.Ed. Then I'll click next. I'll click sari, she is choosing. I'll click color combination, she likes this one. And if churidar, she would be preferring the first one. Then which type of cloth you wish to have, cotton, linen, silk, etc. So cotton. Okay, people individualized stitching would be done. Thank you. So the survey will be coming like this. Okay, this would be the coming, and we can come to know how many, and in an overall, how many are preferring sari, churidar. We will come to know in a look. Okay, the same way, this would be very effective. Yeah, 084, please. Okay, if you are having any query related to this form, survey and all, you can do. Now, how to sort? You go to, can you make some responses to this? That will be good. I'll share this link with you. Please respond to this. I like this session, in fact, but I'm not having time. That's what the only problem is. Please make some responses easily, fast. Okay, make it fast so that we can do some filtering also. Like for B.Ed, M.Ed, we are having two options now. For B.Ed, we can choose one uniform, and for M.Ed, we can choose one uniform by seeing the number and all. How many have done, chosen? Asha, Sanju?
Instead of option button, we can use the checkbox also. Suppose we need to select two option, we can use the checkbox, right?
Pardon?
Like we can use the checkbox too.
Can
we use the checkbox also instead of option button?
Yeah.
Suppose I can
checkbox means multiple items.
Yes, multiple items.
Yeah.
Yes, I need to select below 1,000 price range from
Yeah,
below
yeah.
1,000
Okay, okay.
and
That's
in
good
between
suggestion.
1,000 and 5,000. So I can select the checkbox also.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah. You can do. Okay. Are you able to make asking permission? What kind of permission it is asking? Wait. Let me check it. Okay, fine. Now you please try, because it was restricted only to the institutional email IDs. Now you please respond fast. Shaluva Raj.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
There is ever any option like what we did previous Google Doc, the simultaneously the 3 or 4 people are framing the question like that. Do you have a option like
What?
so in Google Doc?
Huh.
We are able to do simultaneously 4 or 5 people, right?
Actually, sir, this even if, suppose now I am doing this survey. If I need to add Shalom ma'am also as an editor of this survey, so she can also see the responses. So you come to send button, you click, then come to add collaborators, then add the email ID.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, very constructive suggestions are there. And Asha ma'am and Shalom ma'am, Priya ma'am, our workshop is going to be very effective. Deben.
How can I access this form? I want to do an entry.
Yeah, please see the chat box. I have shared its link.
Chat box.
Huh?
Oh, you have shared the link.
Yeah, click on that and do.
Okay, fine.
Please do
Thank
fast.
you.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right.
We have got 38.
Okay.
Oh, very fast. Now I have to cover one more session at least today. I don't think it will be possible, but it's effective. That's why, even if it take time, see, my idea is that we may learn many tools by going fast, but we will not use it. But instead, we can learn thoroughly about one tool that will be useful for us. Chitra?
Sir, in our response, we are going to sari, and then we can give color for sari also, churidar also. So is it possible if we are choosing churidar, we need to respond, we need to only select is that possible?
No. How? Because if in survey form, you cannot restrict ma'am like that. The thing is, if you prefer that, what will be, you see the question, what I have asked, if sari is decided, who will take decision? By an authority, right? Then what would be? And you asked the right question. I got the logic, but in Google Forms, like if you are doing if sari, then related to sari questions will come, right?
Yeah.
So
only that should come. Is that possible like that?
Yeah. So like that option is not there. So here.
Okay.
Surega?
Sir, like we have a next button similar to next button. Can't we get a back button to make a changes?
Back button is not there?
No, we are getting only next button.
I hope now you may be getting. If we select this show progress bar, I think we'll be there. We'll be having that. Usually back button comes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, email ID is not collected in this form. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Now I'll just close it. Okay, shall I close it? And we will do analyze. Okay. Create it. I'm creating one. And you see, now I can come to, if I need to know beard. So what I'll do, somebody is sharing. Back button is available now, ma'am. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just filter it. Where is filter? So even like that, you apply your mind. Then here I'll apply filter. I'll see how many beard students. Or first I'll filter the other thing. Sari or churidar. So sari I'll choose. Sorry, churidar I'll choose. So total 83 persons have chosen sari. Sorry, churidar. And if I choose sari, what would be the number? The number is 85. So sari is leading. Now again I'll go beard. Beard I'll go. Then in beard, sari is chosen by 85 and churidar is chosen by, in beard, churidar is chosen by only 83. So finally sari would be decided. Okay. Now in med, how many are choosing churidar? Only, sorry, that number is wrong. Okay, what I was telling, the number is wrong. Okay, because I was looking at the column number, sorry, row number. That is wrong. We have to check it again. Okay. So in med, churidar, sari is chosen by many. Okay, many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10 are there. But churidar was chosen by only 3 persons. Similarly, in beard, churidar is chosen by about 10, and sari is chosen by many. Like that we can see, not 10. Sorry, again I was making mistakes in telling the number, but the process is same. Like this we can choose. Okay, any query is there related to this? 084. Yeah. Okay, now is it clear? From this you can make even everything, all the items you can choose. First you can choose beard course, then sari you can see, if sari how many, and if churidar how many, you can see all the items you can see, and you can like sort also. Okay, you can see by sorting, like sari will be displayed first. So all the item, all the Excel's feature you can use. Okay, if you need to make pie chart and all, choose the sari. Okay, insert pie chart. Insert chart, you go. See, this is sari churidar ratio. Can you see that? Like that you can do. Survey from, yeah, chart is better, right, Arushi? Okay, so this is how you can do. So how to export is asked by one. You come to the response and click on the this sheet. So you will get in an Excel sheet. Okay. Now, do you have any other query related to the survey? Now we are moving to quiz. Please ask. Manju.
Yeah, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, how is it works in Likert scales?
Likert,
5-point scale or
yeah,
7-point scale?
Sir, scale if you choose, it would be displaying like this. How do you write
Okay.
this? So we had given 3 point. So you can come to know how many twos are there. So twos means it is okay, good, okay. But 3 would be excellent.
Yes, sir. Yes, I understood, sir.
Yeah.
Mm.
We know
Thank you, sir.
what this number denotes.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Now, Manju sir, I think by attending 1 or 2 sessions, we are getting experts, right?
Yeah, sir. Yeah. Right, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
084. Okay. Now I have forgotten something here to say. Even here you are having an option. Okay. Sometimes it may find good for you. Like if you are making it to different section, you can choose after first session. You don't want to rearrange. Suppose you made it a different section. You can choose after section C where the which section should be shown. Like that options are there. You can rearrange also. Suppose after color combination, if they need to go to price, then you can choose here color combination, then price. Like that you can go. Options are there. Yeah, right, Maya ma'am. Now, I hope there are no queries related to this. Shall we stop this now and move to the next one? Next session, that is Q session. Please click yes. Okay, thank you very much.